Is your life governed by random chaos? Or are you part of a deeper, interconnected order moving beneath ordinary perception? Today, we are bridging the chasm between Jungian psychology and ancient Stoic philosophy to decode the hidden architecture of reality itself. By comparing Jung's theory of synchronicity with the Stoic concept of logos and providential fire, we are exploring whether meaningful coincidence is merely psychological illusion or evidence of a living cosmic intelligence connecting every event, every thought, and every atom. This is not just philosophy. It is an exploration of whether fate itself has structure. Carl Jung introduced the concept of synchronicity to describe meaningful coincidences that appear connected without direct physical causation. Moments where an internal psychological state aligns perfectly with an external event in ways that feel impossible to dismiss as mere randomness. Thinking about someone moments before they contact you. Encountering the exact symbol or message needed during a major life transition. Repeated patterns emerging during periods of psychological transformation. Jung believed these events revealed a hidden bridge between the internal world of the psyche and the external world of physical reality. This was revolutionary because modern scientific thinking depends heavily on linear causality. One event must directly cause another mechanically. But synchronicity challenges this framework because the connection appears meaningful rather than causal. The universe begins looking less like dead matter moving randomly and more like an interconnected symbolic system. And psychologically, most people already sense this intuitively. There are moments in life where coincidence feels too precise, too emotionally charged, too synchronized with internal transformation, as if reality itself is responding to consciousness somehow. Jung believed the explanation partially existed within what he called the collective unconscious, a deeper psychic layer shared across humanity containing universal archetypes and symbolic structures. But thousands of years before Jung, the Stoics proposed something remarkably similar through an entirely different framework. The Stoics believed the universe was governed by the logos, not simply logic in the modern sense, but a divine rational intelligence permeating all existence. The logos functioned as the hidden organizing principle behind reality itself. To the Stoics, the cosmos was not chaotic. It was alive, ordered, interconnected. They believed a force called Pneuma, often translated as divine breath or providential fire, flowed through all things and held the universe together as a single living organism. Every person, every object, every event, every star, connected through one continuous field of intelligent order. This is where the comparison to Jung becomes incredibly interesting. What Jung described psychologically through synchronicity begins resembling what the Stoics described metaphysically through logos and pneuma. Both frameworks reject the idea of complete isolation between events. Both imply hidden interconnection beneath surface reality. Both suggest that meaning itself may be embedded into existence rather than projected onto it artificially by the human mind. The Stoics had a concept called sympathia, the idea that every part of the universe affects every other part regardless of distance, because all things exist within one unified organism. This mirrors Jung's sense that synchronous events emerge through deeper underlying connections invisible to ordinary perception. In both systems, separation becomes partly illusory. The observer and the observed are linked through hidden structure. This becomes even more fascinating when viewed alongside modern discussions surrounding quantum entanglement and holographic models of reality. Physics increasingly suggests that reality behaves less like isolated mechanical objects and more like an interconnected field where information and relationship matter deeply. Ancient philosophy approached this symbolically. Modern science approaches it mathematically. But both continue moving toward the same unsettling possibility. The universe may be fundamentally relational rather than fragmented. This changes the meaning of fate entirely. Most people imagine fate as passive determinism, as if life is simply predetermined and human beings are powerless inside cosmic machinery. But the Stoics viewed fate differently. They believed freedom emerged not through resisting the cosmic order, but through aligning oneself consciously with it. This is where synchronicity becomes spiritually important. Instead of viewing meaningful coincidences as random luck, they can be interpreted as directional signals emerging from the deeper structure of reality itself. Moments where the internal state and external world temporarily synchronize enough to reveal alignment. The Stoics practiced amor fati, the love of fate, not passive resignation, but active harmony with the unfolding structure of existence. This does not mean every coincidence is supernatural. Human beings are excellent pattern recognition machines and can easily project meaning where none exists. But the deeper philosophical question remains. Why does consciousness experience meaning so intensely at all? Why do certain moments feel charged with significance beyond rational explanation? Why does reality occasionally seem to mirror internal transformation with symbolic precision? Perhaps synchronicity reveals something important about the relationship between consciousness and the cosmos itself. Not necessarily that reality revolves around the individual ego, but that the individual mind participates within a larger, interconnected process continuously unfolding. This also offers an antidote to modern nihilism. Many people today feel trapped inside an indifferent universe where existence appears random, fragmented, and without deeper meaning. But both Jung and the Stoics propose that beneath apparent chaos exists hidden order. The individual is not separate from reality. They are woven into it. Every action ripples outward. Every psychological transformation alters perception. Every choice participates in the larger movement of the whole. And perhaps this is why moments of synchronicity feel so emotionally powerful. For a brief instant, the boundary between inner consciousness and external reality appears to dissolve. The person senses participation within something larger than isolated individuality, a living process, a meaningful order, a cosmic dance between mind and world. The Stoics called this alignment with the logos. Jung approached it through the collective unconscious, but both may have been pointing toward the same hidden realization that consciousness and reality are not truly separate things, but interconnected expressions of a deeper organizing intelligence moving through the universe itself. And perhaps fate is not something controlling us, but a hidden current guiding consciousness through the architecture of existence. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and have a wonderful day.